One LightSort platform, 3 ways to work. Every operation has places where work slows down. For some teams, it's parcel sortation. For others, it's mail processing, order fulfillment, kitting, or assembly. Many of these workflows still rely on operators manually reading labels, remembering sort plans, or searching for the correct location. As volume grows, those manual processes become harder to sustain while maintaining speed and accuracy. LightSort helps simplify that work. Using a hands-free ring scanner, operators scan an item and the LightSort controller immediately directs them to the correct location using illuminated light modules. The workflow is intuitive, making it easier to train new employees while helping experienced operators stay productive. Because every operation is different, LightSort is designed to fit your workflow. Systems can start with a single rack, expand with additional racks or zones, and in many applications, even be retrofitted onto your existing rack structure. At Engineering Innovation, we work with your team to understand the operation first, then configure the LightSort solution that fits your process. LightSort Bag Rack. For mail operations, LightSort Bag Rack directs operators to the correct destination bag for letters, flats, and lightweight parcels. When a bag is full, it can be released from the back of the rack and quickly replaced with a pre-staged bag, helping keep the sorting process moving. LightSort Gaylord Rack. For parcel operations, LightSort Gaylord Rack applies the same light-directed workflow to larger containers. Operators simply scan, follow the illuminated destination, and continue to the next parcel. As your operation grows, additional rack sections can be added to support higher volumes and changing sort plans. LightSort Pick-to-Light. For picking, kitting, assembly, and small parts applications, LightSort uses addressable LED light modules to guide operators directly to the correct pick location. The lights can be configured for different bin sizes and layouts, making it easy to adapt as products and workflows change while reducing search time for operators. Whether you're processing mail, sorting parcels, or supporting fulfillment and assembly operations, LightSort provides a flexible platform that grows with your business. From identifying operational bottlenecks to configuring the right solution, Engineering Innovation is your partner in building a workflow that improves efficiency today and can adapt as your operation evolves.